Welcome my channel Digital Remote Sensing. Today I will discuss how to rectification Shapfile to image. At first, download the any image. I choose Gujarat state of this particular. I choose this image and right click and save images. And download the Indian Shapfile. Download Indian Shapfile. Download this Indian Shapfile. Run the download Shapfile and download this complete and open the ArcGIS. Open their data, Indian Shapfile. This is the Gujarat and create a layer. At first, select these features and right click Indian Shapefile. Go to the selection to create layer from selected features. Indian selection features is the right click and go to data, export data, and output file name and save and OK and yes. Remove this portion and open this image. Actually, image to Shapefile to image rectification. Open this Gujarat state image. There is no special reference of this image. Right click of the image and zoom to layer. This is this image. There are no special reference of this particular image, but I am referencing or rectification this image. Shapefile to layer. There are no referencing, unknown special reference. At first, at the control point, at first there are unrectified image and therefore Shapefile rectify image. First point there are unrectified image, then Shapefile. Right click the Shapefile and zoom to layer. Zoom this same portion of the Shapefile. Click this portion. There is one GCP control point. Next, there are this portion and right click of the Shapefile, zoom to layer. There are same position of the Shapefile. Automatically, their Shapefile is this. Upper this image, adjust this at least 4 GCP control point of this. So there is portion and portion. adjust this position and then georeferencing rectify and output location. There are output location file name at and this name of this output file Gujarat and format of this TIFF and save. There complete this process and open this rectify image. Open this Gujarat TV image and remove this portion. So there are rectify and layer to properties degree minute second and apply. So there is rectification of this particular image of spatial coordinate system. Check this coordinate system. So there is spatial coordinate system is this image. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel. Latest updates, remote sensing and GIS related work. Thanks for watching.